Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire Frenzy. To begin, each player receives a complete deck of 52 cards, ensuring all jokers are removed. Next, you'll create your personal layout. Deal a 13-card pile, turning the top card face up. Then, place 4 cards face up in a horizontal row. Hold the remaining cards in your hand, ready for the fast-paced action to come. This setup prepares you for a thrilling, simultaneous card-playing experience. Once the game begins, everyone plays simultaneously. Your main goal is to place cards onto the central game board, building up piles in ascending order from ace to king, matching suits. You can draw cards from 3 areas: your 13-card pile, your row of 4, or your hand. For your row of 4, you can build down in alternating colors, like a red 8 on a black 9, without needing to match suits. Keep an eye on all available moves. To maximize your plays, remember that when using cards from your hand, you'll flip them over in groups of 3, only playing the top visible card. A clever tactic involves moving entire sequences of cards within your row of 4 to uncover new opportunities or consolidate piles. Also, don't hesitate to strategically place cards on the central board that an opponent might need, effectively blocking their progress. This adds a fun, competitive edge to the game. Scoring is straightforward. You earn 1 point for each card you successfully play onto the central game board. However, any cards left in your 13-card pile at the end of a round will count against you, typically as 2 negative points per card. The round concludes when a player empties their 13-card pile and declares "Nerds." The game continues over several rounds, and the first player to reach a predetermined total score, often 100 points, is declared the Solitaire Frenzy champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.